Mga ka-MB sa trabaho, kailangan ng sipag, tiyaga at diskarte para gawing mas magaan ang araw. Pero hindi lang sa hanap buhay may diskarte, pati sa sining kailangan ng talento at creativity. Kaya mula sa mundo ng trabaho, dumako naman tayo sa mundo ng sining dito sa Ang Artsy Mo. At ngayon nga mga ka-MB ay kasama natin ang isang author, book writing coach, motivational speaker, walang iba kundi si Ma'am Jezebel Tanawe. Hello Ma'am Jezzy.
Good morning po.
Good morning.
How's your morning,
Good morning.
ma'am?
Beautiful. Beautiful as I am.
Oo. Yes, kailangan talagang dapat beautiful tayo kasi naniniwala tayo sa kasabihan na sino pa ba ang magsasabing maganda tayo kundi sarili din lang naman
Oo
natin.
nga naman. Oo nga naman din.
Oo, we have to motivate ourselves and speak to
yes.
ourselves motivationally.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Diba? Yes. Ma'am, mapunta muna tayo dito. Ano yung usually na construct ng how do you usually construct your literary works bilang isang author?
Yo, gusto ko yan bilang isang author. Bilang manunulat, ako personally, I construct it by having a theme central. Tema muna. Tema muna and then branch out and then yun na yun, yung ideas and then that's it. So, dun nagsisimula. Tema and then organize the thoughts, ideas. After that, sulat na.
Oo. How is it difficult
How is it?
to make a theme for a book?
Oo. Pagka sa una, especially for aspiring author siguro, no, ang hirap, pero pag once you start with something, nagiging madali na siya. Like for example, kasi ako ay isang inspirational author. So, mas madali ko siyang, like, I observe based from my experiences, based from pakikisalamuha. Mali natin, from this, makasulat tayo ng, so really,
Feeling ko.
possible.
Oo, parang feeling ko makakagawa talaga kayo. Pero what are your usual inspiration ba in writing your books aside from the experiences that you have mentioned?
Oo, so ganun siya. Usually, inspiration ko, kasi as a motivational speaker din, I usually look around, I usually observe, but more like yung being open, yung pagiging open sa environment na, okay, pwede to. I don't know, but parang pag open ka kasi, parang open din yung universe sa'yo. Nag-download na lang siya and you just really have to accept it, be open and respond to it by writing.
Gusto ko yun,
oo nga.
na bumabagsak na lang sa'yo, binibigay na lang sa'yo ng universe.
Yes.
Tapos, may mga times kasi na our thoughts, minsan, kuni-question pa.
Yes.
Oo.
Dapat you have to learn how to open your mind and then
Yes.
filter.
Tama, right.
Oo.
Pero ma'am, every time po ba na mag-i-start kayo ng magsusulat po kayo, ano po yung iniisip yung target audience ninyo?
Iba-iba. Actually, nung nag-start ako, I started because I was an author at 20. So parang tinanong ko, ano yung alam ko na pwede kong i-share because you cannot just write anything under the sun na hindi ko naman
Yes.
alam, especially as an inspirational author. So I started with what I know muna, which is my story of knowing God. And then after that, okay, college student ako. So after that, I wrote about, wait lang, shifter ako, right? So I started with where I am, what I know, doon na nagsimula. So yun, iba-iba eh. So target audience, okay. And then comes next, okay, I was a millennial. I was going through difficult times, and then I started writing about that, about my quarter life crisis journey. So yun, so parang siguro recent, like for example, I'm not sure this, I'm tired, I give up. I wrote it for teens. Because, para sa kanila yan, because I've seen how they struggled as well. Ay, may pinagdadaanan pala sila. So, bago pa ako magsulat, may ano na ako, ay, para sa
May
kanila
target
to.
audience
May
ka na
target
talaga.
audience.
Oo. Ano yung pinaka-first na book na sinulat niyo, ma'am?
Yes po.
Ang pinaka-book that I wrote was, about God. About my
Yung
getting to know, getting to know God more personally. Yun, kasi yung parang, ano ba yung alam ko? 20 years old, ano alam ko?
So you started writing at 20.
Yes, right.
Ang galing naman to.
And how long have you been writing na po ba?
12 years.
Oh,
See?
diba?
Hala, nakakatuwa naman. And in 12 years, nakailang libro na po kayo?
Recent was actually 11. Katatapos lang last week.
Oo, diba? Pero ma'am, gaano?
11?
Oo, 11 na daw.
Oh.
Pero ma'am, tanong ko lang po, gaano katagal masulat ang isang libro?
Libro, okay. How long? The first book I wrote was, took me months. Pero for writing 11 books, I can write as 24 hours, 3 days, 1 week even, or a month. by just knowing the system. Yun yung na-discover ko in my writing journey. You have the system. If you know the system, you can write in 3 days, even 24 hours, Miss Bea. So, okay, pwede pala.
Mabilisan.
Tama, because pag
Oo.
alam mo yung sistema, if everything, in anything you do, if you have the system, the right system, you can duplicate. You can
Oo.
write in a span of few hours, even days. Yun.
Ano yung book mo na pinakamatagal mong sinulat?
Yes.
Ang pinakamatagal kong sinulat was my first book. Kasi nag-struggle, parang
Starting pa lang.
starting pa lang
Oo.
Although nag-attend ako ng workshop,
Yes.
they taught us how to write a book. Pero parang dinidiscover ko ba, how do I write my book in my own way?
Oo.
So, nung na-discover ko, ito yung sinishare ko sa mga young people who wanted to write a book, even young ones.
Tama. Kasi bilang parte ng arts din, itong pagsusulat,
Yeah.
at National
Yes.
Arts Month pa rin
Month.
ngayon, di ba?
Right.
Bilang kabilang nga itong pagsusulat, katulad din siya ng singing, dancing. You have to have your own style in singing, you have your own style in moving,
Moving, dancing,
mga
yes.
ganyan. Yung painting nga din, di ba, dapat makilala ka sa sarili mong tatak kung paano ka magpinta
Correct.
and how you express yourself. Ganon din sa author.
din.
Dapat may
Yes.
tunog author.
Yes.
Kumbaga, hindi lang yung, kunyari, nagbasa ka. Kasi may mga ganun na nagbabasa din ako one time, di ba, parang pag nakita mo na siyang ganyan, binasa mo, katunog siya ng ganitong libro.
Yes.
Di ba?
Parang dapat-
Magkaiba naman yung author.
Mm-mm.
Eto one example na madalas kong binabasa kasi before talaga, Precious Hearts Romances, si Martha Cecilia.
Okay.
Oo, alam ko na kung anong style ni Martha Cecilia pagdating sa Precious
Yes.
Hearts Romances.
Mm.
So kapag nagbasa na ako ng ibang author dun sa Precious Hearts, iba na rin yung tunog, iba na rin yung angulo ng kwento niya. So ganun din sa inyo,
Yes,
ma'am,
tama,
sa
tama.
mga inspirational book writer.
Right.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Pero ma'am, ano ngayon naman yung meron po ba kayong currently na ginagawang book?
Na-mention ko kanina, kakatapos lang actually my 11th book. It's called Keep Going.
Oh.
So parang sequel siya ng I'm Tired, I Give Up. Kasi usually young people, this
Ito,
one
ito.
Ito yung libro ang daming pinaiyak. So parang tanong lagi sa akin, pagod na ako. Ang tawag sa akin kasi ate, yung mga young teens, like parang I'm tired, ako din naman pagod. But really, that gave me an idea. Okay, you just have to really keep going because God has a promise that if you keep going, better days are coming.
Yun yung pang-11
Yun yung
mo.
pang-11 at natapos na actually ongoing yung layout. We will release it. Yeah, here in Baguio City.
When are you going to release
March
that?
22, Baguio City Public Library.
Ay!
Ang ganda,
usually
Miss
there.
Bea. Oh,
Alam-
sabi niya,
Basa.
if you're always afraid of the opinion of others, you're already losing your chance to be the person you want to become.
Ay! Parang gusto ko tuloy basahin
Diba?
yan kasi I'm tired. I will nag-give up. Ha?
Bawal
Parang-
mag-give up.
Bawal. At saka dapat pagkatapos mo basahin yan, basahin ka agad yung next
Keep
na book.
going.
Keep
Oo.
going. Aside from the keep going, meron pa po ba tayong planong tuluyan yan ng third na book?
Ako, as I said kanina, it's always about being open. So whatever topic, ideas that comes to me, I always
Oo.
respond with, isulat natin. We never know the people we can inspire through the books. Eh.
Of all the books that you have written po ba, Ma'am Jay-Z, ano yung isang quote sa libro na it still resonates to you up until now na meron ka ng 11 na libro?
It resonates with me. Parang, actually right now, as of the moment, parang ang nasa isip ko na lang, keep going.
Yun yung
Tingin
etong
na ta,
recent.
oo.
Exactly.
Oh, keep going.
It is
Totoo
actually
yan,
also a reminder to myself when you get tired, JC, keep going. You never know the
Oo.
people you're gonna inspire through
Gusto
your
ko
book.
nga yun Alam mo, nakakatuwa yun kasi meron, I also live by a phrase na parang sabi niya doon, rest if you must, but don't you quit.
At oo nga, Miss Bea,
Oo.
sabi niya dito, sharing your struggles to someone you trust is not a sign of weakness.
Totoo din naman, no?
Yes.
Etong mga words ninyo, Ma'am Jay-Z, saan nang gagaling tong mga
Oo, based
Ang
on your
hugot.
experience.
Oo.
saan humuhugo?
Oo, kasi ang lalim eh.
Oo, sabi ko kanina, it is coming from experiences of other people, but more like ako being open. I always ask the guidance of God na parang, God, binigay mo sa akin to, so I'm open to whatever that is. So lagi akong actually nagpo-pray before starting kasi sabi ko, ako personally, I'm just a channel of these words, of these experiences na parang ginamit ako yung nagsusulat. Pero it's actually not me. So parang, there were moments na parang, shucks, sinulat ko to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pero being an author po ba, nagkakaroon kayo ng moments na nabablanko?
Oo.
And how do you deal with that?
Tinatawag nilang writer's block. Tinatawag nila writer's block. Oo, pero hindi naman pwedeng sabihin, ay hindi. I do experience that. Pero lagi kong sinasabi that if I have a commitment, I make sure to make the most out of it. So parang yung way ko is to connect with nature. I usually take a walk or usually take a long bath. O di kaya tatayo ako dun sa writing desk ko. Get outside. Pahangin ako. After that, balik ako. It's my way na parang, okay, new air, new environment. So parang makakabalik ako.
New air, new air. Sabi ni
Oo.
Jordan
Pero
Sparks
ma'am,
by
na-try nyo na po bang magsulat ng libro na itinigil nyo? Kasi meron pa ako naalala before na gusto ko rin po magsulat
Oo.
actually. Parang di ba nagumpisa tayo sa diary, tapos gusto ko rin po magsulat. And then tinigil ko siya. Kasi po, wala nang motivation, hindi na ako parang wala namang silbi. Kaya hayaan na. Meron na ba ganong moment sa inyo?
Meron. Tawag dito. Actually, I'm not sure if okay. I think yung keep going kasi took me more than a week to write, like 8 days. Pero
Yes.
yun was more than a year. Yung concept, more than a year. Pero yung parang ano ka kasi siya. Pinapakinggan ko siya, tapos biglang, ay, okay, may bago akong libro. Yun na muna yung inuna ko. And then, it comes to you really Hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi mo siya sinusulat. Ganun yung experience ko. And so, okay, isulat natin. That's why, writing, 8 days, pero yung concept, more than a year.
It's haunting you.
Oo.
Exactly,
Oo.
exactly. Miss
Pero
Mel.
eto nga yung pagiging isang author, hindi lang kayo author na eh. You're also a book writing
Yeah,
coach.
tama.
Bilang isang book writing coach, ano po yung payo natin sa mga aspiring authors? Like, can you give us at least 3 or 4 steps siguro, mga ganon?
Sige, to all aspiring authors, no, as a book writing coach, I always say this, na nabanggit mo kasi, Miss Angel, yung motivation, lack of motivation. So first is, read a lot.
Yes.
You have to read a lot talaga. Pangalawa is write daily. 'Di ba yung athletes, sakto na ano yung kanina, meron silang yung muscle, so they have to exercise eh.
Yes.
As a writer, as an author, you really have to have that, exercise mo din yung writing muscles. So when the moment comes na magsusulat ka, madali na lang. Yung
Madali na
flow
lang.
ng words, ang dali na lang. And the third is, write even if you lack inspiration. Yun kasi usually tanong sa akin, how do I write if I lack motivation?
Yes.
You write because you committed yourself to write. You don't write just because kasi pagka-aantay mo na inspired ka, baka mag-antay ka ng buong buhay mo. Mahirap!
Totoo, if you're gonna wait for inspiration or motivation, kailan pa?
Tama.
Tapos kung dumating na yung motivation, biglang nawala, kailan ka matatapos?
Correct.
So
din.
dapat tama nga yung sinabi ni ma'am na if you start, or if you plan to write, you write because you want to write, not because you write kasi you have an inspiration or motivation lang.
Yes, tama, Miss Bea.
Ang galing.
And siguro parang dagdagan ko na rin the driving force behind that is find your why. Why do you want to write? Why do you want to write? Because if you have the big why, kahit hindi ka inspired, magsusulat ka. Kasi may
po?
dahilan ka.
Caps lock po ba dapat
Yung
yun?
why.
Oo. Dapat, you should have a why. Parang lang, kape lang yan, di ba? You should have a why. So that if you feel uninspired, if you feel down, you can still write because you have a why. You have a
Yes,
deeper
you're gonna
reason.
go back to that question.
Exactly. Yun lagi yun.
Why?
Very, very
Why?
important.
Oh.
Very first, actually.
Why are you keeping, why are you moving forward?
Tama.
Yes.
Parang
Totoo
ganun.
din, no?
Because I have a life to share to people,
people.
and inspiration that
Oo
will help
din. Actually,
others to stand.
yung mga sinusulat,
Ganun.
nakaka-inspired actually yun. Parang yun na rin yung way to motivate other people.
Yes, exactly, Miss Angel. Tama.
And usually, yung mga sinusulat po natin are inspirational books. And
Yes.
now, from that, naging motivational speaker kayo. When did you start to become a motivational speaker?
I wrote a book at 20.
Yes.
And then, I started speaking at 21. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I might be like this right now, but I'm actually an introvert by nature.
Totoo!
Hindi halata, ma'am, actually, no?
Exactly,
Diba?
exactly.
Hindi halata po.
Kasi usually yung mga introverts nga naman talaga, gumagawa sila ng paraan na i-express yung sarili na, and
Yes.
some of which is through form of art.
Exactly,
At ikaw is
exactly.
writing.
Tama.
Pero paano nyo nakuha yung eto nga, sabi mo,
Oo.
introvert by nature, and then suddenly motivational
Diba?
speaker.
Exactly. You know what, when you answer really dun sa, ay, ito yung mission para sa'yo, you cannot say no eh. So what if this is for me? So I wrote a book, I was called to share my thoughts. yung nasulat ko na book, I Awaken the Greatness in You, my first physical book, wala dito, hindi na kami nagpiprint. And then I was invited to give a talk. So sabi ko, ano share ko? Okay, being open, share natin. Sa una, medyo nanginginig pa ako. Parang hindi ko, kinakabahan ako. And then, I got used to it. Kasi na-discover ko, what if my life story can change even isa lang na tao? I've been receiving a lot of that. Readers, strangers I don't even know na nabless ako sa book mo. That keeps me going. And so, that keeps me going 11 years later, kumapal na yung mukha ko.
Di ba? Oo nga
Tapos
naman.
ngayon, okay na siya.
Okay na siya.
Yes, that's why I was able to
Oo.
share. Kaya nga may book din ako, Confessions of an Introvert.
Oo.
Lagi yun. So really, ang dami.
Sabi po nila, Ma'am JZ, ang libro ay papatay na.
Okay.
Kasi nga may mga e-books na.
Tama.
Di ba mga ganyan?
Oo, talaga.
Sa tingin nyo po,
Oo.
paano po i-prolong pa or paano ipagpapatuloy itong art of writing a book and producing a book technically?
Yes, actually, through yung ginagawa ko na pagko-coach sa mga aspiring authors,
Yes.
that for me personally is passing on the system, passing on the light to them na yes, you can write a book. And hindi lang book ko, book na din nila. So parang for me personally, it's not just namamatay, but how about we add it like e-books and physical books. Kasi nung na-release ko yung I'm Tired e-book, kasi akala ko namamatay na siya. But
Oo.
they requested a physical copy, especially for those in the far-flung areas, kasi sila yung target market namin. So
Kasi
that's
maganda
why.
pa rin ang libro eh.
Yes.
Kasi ako I tried the reading na sa mga e-books.
Oo.
Masakit sa mata.
Tama,
Di ba?
Oo. Masakit sa
Manginginig
mata.
talaga yung
Tapos
mata mo.
hindi mo magagamit yung mga bookmarks.
Yes.
Kaya ang kikit ng mga bookmarks. Minsan
Tama.
kailangan personalize pa yung mga bookmarks
Yes.
mo. So, marami kang pwedeng gawin kasi with a physical book, pang-display
Yes.
mo na siya.
Tama.
At the same time, pag may mga bisita ka, may mga
Yes.
books ka. Hello, the
Yes.
diba? Tapos colorful pa.
Right.
Di ba? Nakakatuwa namang isipin
Oo.
yun.
Pero ma'am, ano yung pinaka-greatest na shinare ninyo sa bilang isang artist sa community?
I think for me personally is really the life's change because of writing the book. Ang dami. Yun lagi yung nasi-share ko na parang, yun nga sabi ko, that keeps me going every time a stranger leaves me a message. I don't even know these
Yes.
people na thank you for writing this book. Kahit yun lang, thank you for, they took action eh. They took action after reading the book. They took action. For me, sa akin, yun yung greatest contribution ko na that you help someone out there, inspire them, push them to take action.
Di ba?
Galing.
Ang galing, no?
May nabasa ako dito
sabi?
Di ba yung issue natin nung weekend? Not everyone will like you.
Oo. Tapos, di ba?
That's okay. Let them. It only means those people are not really your friends. They just need you for what you can bring to the table.
Ouch!
I like it.
Tapos meron pa dito Miss Bea, sabi niya, failure is often a redirection.
Di ba? Mga
Yes,
ganun.
mga 20s dyan. Para sa inyo yan.
Para sa akin po to
Ma'am,
actually.
Ma'am JZ, para po sa mga nais na bumili ng mga
Yes.
libro natin or mag-avail ng mga to, ano po yung i-contact po nila sa inyo?
Okay, so just contact me. Yun yung name ko, Jaizy. Yan. Tanawe. So, they just send me sa Facebook yung naka-blue check mark. Andun na rin lahat. They wanna ask questions about book writing. They wanna ask about paano i-avail yung book. Lahat yon. Andun lahat. So, they just send me a PM. Andun lahat yun. Automated yon. Yes. And
Tapos,
I can answer.
Doon na sila mag-avail. Like,
Yes,
ikaw na rin magkano mga libro mo,
Ang
ma'am?
rate estimated po.
Usually estimated 250 to 350 to 497 lahat ng books.
Ooh.
Depende
Ay,
sa
mura
audience.
lang.
Mura lang
Actually,
talaga.
Tapos,
Ay,
diba,
that's
ang
nice.
dami mo nang matututunan sa gantong nipis.
Exactly.
Anda, punong-puno na ng lessons.
At saka pinaghirapan niya na isipin nyo yung saan galing yan. Huwag basta-basta. At ang kagandahan din pala ng libro, naalala ko, pwede mong i-highlight.
Exactly.
Oo,
yeah.
mag-highlight ka. Lagyan mo ng mga drawing doon.
Correct, pwede. Please do so. I encourage dati nung una-unang nagbabasa ako ng libro. I usually parang, hoy, sayang, wag ko i-fold. But
Oo.
now, kanina I was waiting. Hina-highlight ko actually siya. I was reading a
Oo.
book. I was highlighting the book I'm reading kanina. So, do that.
Tama. Ma'am, maraming salamat
Yes
po
po.
for
Thank you so
bringing
much.
an
Thank you so
inspiration
much.
to
Thank you.
those who are aspiring authors. And ma'am, any last message po para sa mga viewers natin? For those aspiring, those who loves book and whatnot.
Yes, so those who wanted to write a book, I say you start now. Those who wanted to push something, go start now. And, okay. So, those who wanted to achieve something, hindi lang pagsusulat ng libro, start now. Yun lang. And if you have any question na hindi ko nabanggit, just send me a message.
Ayun.
diba?
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yung oras ni Ma'am Jazel dito, hindi talaga, hindi talaga siya sapat para
Sapat,
sa atin, para
oo.
mapakinggan paano magsulat, ano yung mga inspirasyon and
Inspiration,
whatnot.
oo.
Kailangan din puntahan kapag nagkaroon siya ng mga motivational speeches.
Oo
Oo,
nga.
sa
Yes,
labas
please.
naman. Anyway, maraming salamat muli, Ma'am
Thank you so
Jinzy.
much for having me.